Sulala male kuyana ya se kuyana na mae suyana hange. Wonderful, merciful Savior, precious Redeemer and friend, who would have thought that our Lamb could rescue the souls of men? Oh, you rescue the souls of men. Counselor, comforter, keeper, spirit we long to embrace. You offer hope when our hearts have hopelessly lost away. Oh, we've hopelessly lost away. You are the one that we praise. You are the one we adore. You give the healing and grace. Our hearts always hunger for.